For this video, I'll be cleaning my closet, and during the video, I'll also share with you some of my tips on how I declutter and arrange my clothes, and also on how I fold my clothes. And for this cleaning the closet vlog or video, I'll be cleaning only my house clothes, since this closet is the closet that I usually open, that I usually use, and the closet that is used on a daily basis. So without further ado, let's get into the video and let's start decluttering and arranging, cleaning my closet. Let's get started. So for my number one tip in decluttering and arranging my closet is to remove all of my clothes in my closet or in the drawer or wherever you put your clothes on. So now I'm going to put all my clothes here on top of this bed para makapag-declutter ako ng maayos. Kasi kapag hindi ko sila nilabas sa closet ko, may chance na hindi ako makapag-declutter ng maayos. I hope you get it. Just found out, see, it's almost bare months and I have this swimwear on my closet, on my house clothes closet. So that's the importance of decluttering or arranging your closet at least twice a year before the season changes. Also, these days, I'm into wearing huge tees because since it's pandemic, I'm starting to gain weight, and wearing shirts that really fits my body shape is not my thing. I don't like seeing myself getting fatter or gaining weight. the final result of my cleaning the closet video. So here in this drawer, I put all my jersey shorts over there, and then here are my muscle tees used for workout. So that's another tip for you guys to store your clothes that are related to each other, like these ones that are the jersey shorts and my muscle tees used for exercising or working out. So you don't have to open this drawer and another drawer for different clothing items, but somehow related to each other. And then also I put here my shorts that can be used when we go out. That's shorts. And then here are my tokongs. So sometimes when we go out, I wear tokongs. This one's also. And in the bottom, there are my pajamas. But I don't usually wear pajamas. And then for this drawer, I put all of my sort of daily clothes. And as what I've said a while ago, the second tip is to place the clothes that are related to each other in the same drawer. Like this one's my shirts for an everyday t-shirts used for my virtual meetings. Since I have online classes, so I usually wear decent t-shirts for my top. And then these are my daily shorts, so I place it here. And then these are my sleepwears, like my duster, my terno. This is terno. See, it is terno. And then also another duster here. So that, and even though it is terno, I separate it because here in this pile, this is a pile of sandos. So here are my sandos. Basically, that is it for my cleaning the closet vlog, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you also learned something from me, from all of the tips that I've given to you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!